Understanding the differences between teaching strategies, methods, and techniques is crucial for educators to effectively plan and deliver their lessons. Here's a detailed explanation of each, along with examples. Teaching strategies. Definition. Teaching strategies are overarching plans and approaches used to achieve specific educational goals. They provide a general framework for instruction, guiding how teachers can deliver content and engage students. Examples: direct instruction, teacher-centered strategy focusing on systematic instruction of basic skills. Example: a math teacher explaining a new concept through a lecture and then demonstrating how to solve problems on the board. Inquiry-based learning, student-centered strategy that encourages students to ask questions and discover answers through exploration. Example: a science teacher facilitating an experiment where students hypothesize and test the effects of different variables on plant growth. Collaborative learning strategy that involves students working together to solve problems or complete tasks. Example: students working in groups to create a presentation on different ecosystems in their geography class. Teaching methods. Definition. Teaching methods are the specific procedures and steps used to implement teaching strategies. They are the systematic ways in which teaching strategies are applied in the classroom. Examples: lecture method. A teacher delivers content through a structured, formal presentation. Example: a history teacher giving a lecture on World War II, highlighting key events and dates. Discussion method. Facilitating a conversation among students to explore a topic more deeply. Example: an English teacher leading a class discussion on the themes and characters in a novel they're reading. Demonstration method. The teacher shows how to do something, often involving practical skills. Example: a chemistry teacher demonstrating how to safely conduct an experiment involving chemical reactions. Teaching techniques. Definition. Teaching techniques are the specific activities, tools, or tactics used within a teaching method to enhance learning. They are the detailed, tactical aspects of teaching. Examples: questioning, a technique used to check for understanding and encourage critical thinking. Example: during a lecture, a teacher pauses to ask students open-ended questions about the material to gauge their understanding and stimulate discussion. Use of multimedia, incorporating videos, audio clips, and other digital tools to support learning. Example: using a documentary video in a history class to provide a visual and auditory representation of historical events. Think, pair, share. A cooperative learning technique that involves students thinking about a question individually, discussing their thoughts with a partner, and then sharing with the larger group. Example: in a literature class, the teacher asks a thought-provoking question about a story's theme, gives students a few minutes to think, then has them discuss with a partner before sharing with the class. Summary teaching strategies, overarching plans to achieve educational goals such as direct instruction, inquiry-based learning, and collaborative learning. Teaching methods, specific procedures for implementing strategies like lecture, discussion, and demonstration. Teaching techniques, detailed activities or tactics used within methods, including questioning, use of multimedia, and think, pair, share. By understanding and effectively using these different components, educators can create more dynamic and effective learning experiences for their students.